Americans have normalized cleaning their butts in the worst way possible. That's why we have the dirtiest butts in the world. I thought toilet paper was it until I started using a bidet. So I feel uniquely qualified to share and debunk the biggest bidet myths and why your butt can use one too. Myth number 1, the idea that bidets are gross or unsanitary. This is the big one. For some reason, people think bidets spray dirty water. That's just not how bidets work at all. Bidets connect directly to your fresh water supply line, not the toilet tank. It's the same clean water that comes out of your sink or shower that you're brushing your teeth with and washing your face with. But with a bidet, you don't even have to touch your butt to get clean. Let me put it this way. If a bird pooped on your arm, would you just wipe it around with a dry, thin piece of paper and call it a day? Probably not. Toilet paper actually leaves residue down there. It just spreads bacteria around. It can cause tiny microabrasions and rub the delicate skin down there raw and dry. Water is gentle and cleans, while paper is harsh and smears. Myth number 2 is that bidets are expensive. Well, this used to be true, but it's not anymore. You can get a basic bidet attachment for anywhere around $25 to $50, and some beginner-friendly bidets with a few more features are still around $100. The TUSHY Fresh, for example, is a great beginner-friendly bidet attachment listed at $49, and the TUSHY Classic, TUSHY's best-selling bidet with 18,000 five-star reviews, is $119. What you might not realize is the average American spends hundreds of dollars a year on toilet paper. If you are a family of 4, your household is spending around $564 per year on toilet paper. A bidet is a one-time purchase that pays for itself, and fast because it reduces your toilet paper usage by 75%. A great bonus is that you're also saving trees and the insane amount of water used to produce toilet paper. Did you know it takes about 35 gallons of water to produce 1 roll of toilet paper and half a pint to properly wash with a bidet? So yes, your butt and the planet win. Myth number 3 is that bidets are only for butts. Absolutely not. If you're a person with a vulva, bidets are amazing for periods, postpartum recovery, and general hygiene. Bidets are also great for washing men's undercarriages, and medically, bidets can help with hemorrhoids, IBS, post-surgery care, anyone with mobility issues, and anyone who deals with irritation or sensitivity down there. Coming soon, I'm sharing a full video explaining how to use bidets properly for men and women. So subscribe so you don't miss it. The 4th myth is that bidets spread poop everywhere and are messy. The most common question people ask when they learn I use a bidet is, but how do you dry it off? People always think they're going to be soaked after using a bidet, but it's just like washing your hands or showering. I recommend using the pat dry method. Just a few squares of toilet paper or washable cloths to pat dry afterwards. Some bidets even have a built-in air dryer, so you could fully go toilet paper free. It did take a few tries for me to get used to cleaning up, but it's super simple and easy. A beginner tip I recommend is to start on low pressure and find your perfect angle. Again, most people end up using about 75% less toilet paper with this method, so it saves you money. With TUSHY specifically, the spray is designed in an arch that directly targets where you need it, and thanks to gravity, the debris and water fall directly down into the toilet and is definitely not sprayed everywhere like many folks think. Next, myth number 5, the idea that you need a fancy bathroom or major installation. Thankfully, you don't. Most bidets, from attachments to full toilet seats, install anywhere from 8.5 minutes to 15. You don't need a plumber. And you don't need a toolbox, as all the pieces for installation come inside the box already. So no need to stress. Bidets work in apartments, rentals, and fit on 95% of toilets. If you do have a little more space or want some extra comfort, you can upgrade to a bidet seat or even a full bidet toilet. I've got a breakdown comparing bidet attachments versus seats versus toilets, so you can choose the best bidet for you. Be sure to check that out. Myth number 6, the cold shock. The fear that bidets only shoot cold, harsh water. In reality, many modern bidets have fully adjustable pressure control, and some models even have full temperature control too. TUSHY offers non-electric bidet attachments that have full pressure and temperature control. That means no outlet for warm water. How cool! Of course, any electric bidet that does require an outlet will have special features like full temperature control, a heated seat, and heated air dryer too. Fun fact, gentle stimulation from bidet spray down there can actually trigger the gastrocolic reflex, which helps you build better bathroom habits. Basically, it can help trigger you to go to the bathroom. I talked about this in a previous challenge video where I was able to poop every day after changing some habits for a week, including using bidets. Watch it here. So Americans are weird about bidets simply because they're unfamiliar. Bathroom stuff can make people squeamish, but it's totally normal. Everyone poops. Historically, Americans first saw bidet during World War II in European brothels in France. When the soldiers came home and talked about what they saw, bidets got a bad reputation and were thought of as gross, inappropriate, or dirty, and therefore their concept never really recovered in America. Boo! Meanwhile, bidets have been normalized and used for centuries across Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. And for them, our toilet paper only obsession is strange. Since ditching toilet paper and switching to a bidet, I feel genuinely clean, I have less irritation, and I use way less toilet paper. But honestly, the biggest change is my mental shift. Once you experience actually being clean, there's truly no going back. Dry paper alone just doesn't cut it anymore, and I can't understand how I ever just used toilet paper. And I thought I was clean. Yuck. So stop settling for the dirty norm just because you're used to using toilet paper. Bidets are normalized in the rest of the world, and it's about time Americans learn about hygiene. All it takes is a nice beginner-friendly bidet just to see what it's like. Check the link below for the TUSHY model I've been using for the last 3 months, and really, you and your wallet will thank me later when you discover how toilet paper has been doing you dirty for years. Thanks for stopping by, folks. Give a bidet a chance. Your whole life will change. See you next time.